Hello, my tech enthusiast. I'm the founder of Get to Know It YouTube channel. This channel is aimed at improving your computing skills, so that means my channel will be fed with how-to videos and popular apps reviews. There are a lot of channels out there that will do this using big gadgets, but this will be different. Cheap gadgets but valuable content. This all because I have the passion to deliver this content which surpasses the use of expensive gadgets. To deliver this, there will be practical tips and tricks along the way. I will promise you weekly content that will always blow your mind. You might see some content that you saw somewhere else in this channel, only that these will be different. The videos will be filled with rich content and that will come with that change in your computing life. And so I take this opportunity to welcome you to this channel and experience the difference.